Hi everyone. We are going to begin planning for reiteration of our Rube Goldberg devices this week. So in order to do that, we have a planning for reiteration document that has some questions in there to help you think through what did you like about your first design, what are some things that you could maybe improve upon on your first design. We also have a video for you by Mr. Smith that will go through how to set up and measure intervals on your Rube Goldberg device. Now, these intervals will be used to help you plan for reiteration. So once you have watched that video, you can actually set up your Rube Goldberg device and then collect another round of data. Again, this week we have another live class, another live session. You can either go to Mrs. Edgerly's or Mr. Smith's. What they will be talking about in their live session is what are we going to do with this data that we've collected? And is it helpful to potentially put this data into a graph? And what can that do for us to help us think through our reiteration? Finally, after you've done all of that, you are going to build your second design, and then you're going to record your second design, and then you can upload that to Flipgrid or to that Google Drive folder, whichever works best for you. That is it. I'm looking forward again to seeing some more Rube Goldberg designs from you, and have an awesome week.